Similar assignment to last time, we're going to be using this graph to identify key features of a linear function. So within the context of a word problem, though, so if you look at this one, we have a height of a cactus. Here's days since planting. So what feature of the graph represents how tall the cactus was when she planted it? So that would be day one, or day zero, really, right? When she planted it, it was 10 feet, or 10 centimeters actually tall. And it says a really tall cactus if it was going to grow up to like 75 feet. So anyways, what does that represent? That represents this point right here. That represents the y-intercept. That's that starting point. Remember I told you y-intercept is usually our starting point? All right, let's look at another one. So we have oil volume, duration. We can read this if we wanted to. What feature of the graph represents how long Nirmala can use the lamp before the oil runs out? So here's where the oil runs out. That's how long it takes. What is that? That is the x-intercept. Remember how I said usually the x-intercept is the ending value? And this just shows that again. You know, when the oil runs out, that's the end. So there you go. That would be the x-intercept. And last, what feature of the graph represents the distance from the observation point in 2003? So realize this is years since 1998. This right here, y values are distance from the observation point. So right on the y-axis is 1998. So 1998 plus 5 is 2003. So right at this spot, when x is 5, it's 2003. So this point, this is just none of these. This isn't the slope, this isn't the x-intercept, this isn't the y-intercept. This is just some point. And we can use that point. It's still data for us, but just not one of those key features.